Number 1. Relax your body and start with deep breathing. Number 2. Gently tilt your head side to side, stay loose. Number 3. Raise your arms and rotate your shoulders slowly. Number 4. Stretch your arms back and open the chest. Core. Number 5. Twist your upper body to activate the core. Number 6. Move your hips forward and backward smoothly. Number 7. Perform light squats to warm up your legs. Number 8. Reach down and stretch your hamstrings gently. Number 9. Shake out your arms and legs, stay relaxed. Number 10. Warm up complete, your body is fully prepared.